Today is November 13. I will share simple coin gift code. First code always tap it. ALWAYSTAPIT. Now I will click on the submit. First code complete. I will input second code. Welcome to simple. WELCOME 2 TU SIMPLE. Now I will click on the submit. Completed. I will input third code. Help center ACLP CENTRE. Now I will click on the submit. Complete. I will input fourth number code. Start collecting. STARTCOLLECTING. Now I will click on the submit. Completed. I will input 5 number code. Crypto like cash. CRYPTOLIKE CASS. Completed all number code.